Managing short-term rentals can be complex, balancing guest communications, booking channels, property upkeep, and owner reporting. Without the right system in place, things can slip through the cracks. Hostfully is a purpose-built vacation rental management platform that simplifies your daily tasks, centralizes operations, and helps you grow your business smoothly. Hostfully brings together essential tools like calendar syncing, automated messaging, digital guidebooks, and workflow automation into one platform. Whether you're a solo host or part of a property management company, it allows you to stay on top of bookings and guest experiences with ease. In this video, we'll walk through key features of Hostfully, explain how each one benefits vacation rental professionals, and highlight why it's an excellent choice for your business in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the multi-channel booking management. Hostfully connects directly with Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and other OTAs, offering real-time synchronization of listings and calendars. It prevents double bookings, eliminates manual updates, and ensures your availability and rates are always accurate across platforms. By keeping your listings unified and updated automatically, you can avoid costly mistakes, maximize occupancy, and maintain control over your revenue strategy. Another key feature is the automated guest communication. From confirmation emails to post-stay review requests, Hostfully lets you create and schedule personalized messages. Triggers are based on booking status, dates, or actions, reducing the need for constant manual outreach. Guests receive timely and professional communication without extra effort from you, helping set expectations, minimize questions, and deliver a more polished experience. Another key feature is the digital guidebooks. Hostfully's guidebooks allow you to share property instructions, check-in details, and local tips with guests in an interactive format. You can include photos, maps, contact info, and even promotional offers. Digital guidebooks reduce repetitive questions and make guests feel welcomed and informed. They also help streamline arrival, minimize support needs, and improve guest ratings. Another key feature is the pipeline and task automation. Automated workflows keep your operations on track. Hostfully lets you assign tasks to cleaners or maintenance staff, notify team members of changes, and automate steps based on booking progress. No more manual reminders or missed cleanings. Everything from turnovers to owner updates runs on autopilot, ensuring consistency and reducing operational stress. Another key feature is the owner and team access controls. With customizable roles and permissions, you can give property owners access to revenue reports or calendars while limiting what team members see. Cleaners only see relevant properties and tasks. Everyone gets just the right amount of access, improving collaboration without compromising privacy or security. It's ideal for scaling your team or working with multiple stakeholders. So, why is it a great choice? Hostfully is a flexible, cloud-based platform that fits the unique challenges of the vacation rental industry. Its combination of automation, integrations, and ease of use helps property managers save time, reduce errors, and deliver a more consistent guest experience. It stands out in 2025 as one of the tools that truly bridges the gap between guest communication, operational coordination, and multi-channel booking management. Everything is centralized, so you no longer need to bounce between tools or spreadsheets to stay organized. Additionally, Hostfully adapts to your business as it grows. Whether you're adding more properties or building a team, the platform scales without overwhelming you. Its ongoing product improvements and responsive support team make it a dependable long-term choice. It's not just about reducing your workload. It's about enhancing guest satisfaction and building a reputation that brings in more direct bookings over time. Hostfully equips you to do both. So basically, in the vacation rental business, your tools can make or break your ability to grow. Hostfully brings together everything you need to manage your listings, automate your workflows, and deliver better guest experiences from one unified dashboard. With features like synced booking calendars, automated communication, digital guidebooks, and role-based team access, it helps rental professionals save time and deliver top-tier service at every step of the guest. So if you want to stay competitive, scale your operations, and create a stress-free workflow in 2025, Hostfully is a platform worth investing in. So start using it today and take full control of your short-term rental business with confidence. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.